Brittany here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna do a Foxy eye makeup tutorial video for you guys. This is a makeup trend that's been trending for like the last month or so on YouTube, and I'm really interested in it. It supposedly kind of makes your eyes look very lifted and like slender and all that kind of stuff. So I'm really interested in doing this and seeing if it works. So yeah, with that being said, let's get on with the rest of this video. So I'm gonna start with my eyes first. I normally don't do that, but since it's a mainly eye focused look, I'm gonna start off with my eyes and then I'll do my face after. You guys know I don't do that much makeup anyways, so this is kind of gonna be extravagant for me for a change, so we'll see how this goes. But yeah, let's start off with the eyes. Oh, I have henna on my hand, by the way. I've been experimenting. I really like doing henna and I figured might as well just get a cone over quarantine and try some. If you guys are interested in doing henna and you're not like Indian or don't know where to get it, just go to an Indian store, like a local Indian grocery store. They usually have them. They're pretty inexpensive. The first thing I'm gonna do is just kind of set my lids. This can be kind of like a primer step if you're doing that. So this is the Youngblood Mineral Rice Setting Powder in the shade Dark. It's just my setting powder that I use for my face. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this so that I have like an even canvas to blend the eyeshadows on. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette I got from Amazon. I've talked about this on my channel before. It's the Impressed You by Beauty Glazed. It's a really nice palette, to be honest, really inexpensive too. Has all these shades and like ranges of colors. For the Foxy eye makeup look, from what I've researched, it's pretty much just like a natural makeup look. Like it's not anything extravagant in terms of colors and stuff like that. So we're going to be working with like taupes and like dark browns and all that kind of stuff. So normally I would be putting a crease color in my crease all around, but we're gonna start from just the outside of the eyes. That's how the Foxy eye makeup look works. So I'm gonna take a combination of these two colors right here, which are like my crease color, and I'm gonna put it in my crease, but only on the outer edge, so it starts to create that kind of elongated look. Another thing I'm doing is also blending it down and then up, so it starts to create that like wing shape, which is what we want. Now I'm gonna be taking this pointed brush, it's like slanted like this, and I'm gonna be taking a dark brown. So I'm gonna start off with this dark brown here and then do that in the shape of a wing, and let's see how that works. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this against my skin just because of how dark my skin is. I just think it might be, let's just keep trying. I'm gonna go in with a black now and see if I can make it a little more prominent. I feel like you can kind of see that shape developing. I have such round eyes, I don't know if this thing is actually gonna work or not. Like that looks good. It's starting to look more snatched a little bit anyways. Yeah, I think so. Okay, let's move on to the other eye. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other eye off camera. I feel like it looks pretty good. It's not like insanely intense, but you can see that like it gets darker towards the edge, which is exactly what we wanted. So I'm gonna go in to do liquid liner now. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise liquid eyeliner in the shade Black. Yeah, Black from L'Oreal Paris, and I haven't done liquid liner in such a long time, so let's just see how this goes. Again, I'm gonna try to do it more thinner and like that, because yeah, so let's just try. Okay, that's about as good as it's gonna get. It's not that bad, it's just insanely long. Jesus. Okay, I went ahead and did the other eye off camera. It's not great, but it's not bad. I mean, it's like definitely a little thicker than this one, but like it's not that bad for not doing my liquid eyeliner for probably years, I don't even know. So this is how the eyes turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup. I'm literally just gonna do my powder, blush, highlight, and then like my eyebrows, and that's it, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so here is the finished makeup look. I actually really like it. I think it turned out so cute, and I do like the whole foxy eye trend. I might have not done it like 100% correctly because I'm not a beauty guru, and I think some of the powders just don't show up right on my eyes. Maybe because they're not pigmented enough, or my skin color, I'm not sure. But I really like that lifted effect actually that this makeup trend gives. I think it's really flattering, and yeah, I really enjoyed doing this video. I hope you guys liked it too. It was something different. I might take some photos, although let me know if you guys want an Instagram, because I don't have it anymore, but I don't know, for like engagement and stuff on YouTube. I don't know, probably not, but like just let me know. Yeah, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it kind of gave you some tips. Maybe if you're trying to try this trend out, I think it's definitely a good idea. Might as well when you have time, right? And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.